Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have one beautiful free-range chicken here. I was told this is Ma Chao Ji. I like it because it has very nice chicken flavor, and it gives you beautiful yellowish color later after cook. All right, free-range chicken, if you buy, if it's already yellow before you cook, that yellowish is actually dyed using probably some kind of yellowish powder. Yeah, most likely they use the turmeric powder. But the normal free-range chicken that really will become yellowish later, actually it will be very uneven. The original color, it will be very uneven. After cook, it will be very yellow. That is the real free-range chicken. All right. So first of all, you want to cut it into chunks, and then I'm going to marinate it with some very simple seasoning, and I'm going to put in a chicken essence. Yeah, you can use any brand of chicken essence that you can find. It doesn't matter. Okay, so here is the chicken essence. We're going to pour the chicken essence all over. So later, this chicken essence will form part of the chicken stock later, yeah? Which is very nice. Ooh. And then I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Okay. We're going to give it some fine salt. Some ginger. And then we can send it to the steamer. All right, preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius. And then put the chicken in the middle and steam it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Now, if your family doesn't like to take chicken essence, you can just put water and Shaoxing wine. And that will taste really good also, yeah? All right, this is after about actually close to 20 minutes. Let me open this. Oh, let the steams to go away. Oh, the chicken looks so beautiful. I hope you all can see this, but never mind, let me take it out for you to see. Oh, maybe I zoom in for you a bit. Can see or not? That's how beautiful it is. All right, I'm going to take it out from the steamer. Look at how beautiful it looks, and let me garnish it with some fried garlic on top. All right, done. That's how simple it is to make a steamed chicken with chicken essence. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.